Hi, my name is Barbara Derrick. I'm the CEO of my business, Native Studio Art. My art programs are customized by you, for you. Imagine taking lessons where you want to start. Art for me is a catalyst of change for our lives. And like you, I've paid thousands of dollars for art programs that did not meet my expectations. I remember one time in a college setting, sitting in front of an easel, trying to paint a 3rd century landscape and try not to fall asleep. Up until that time, my beliefs in myself were, I'm not good enough. What I didn't know was how this fight for survival kept me from experiencing success. And then one day I was gifted with the secret. And I promised myself, when I teach others, I want them to be excited, to enjoy the experience of the art, and become aware of how limiting self-beliefs block success for so many. With classes structured for you, there are fewer problems because they are designed by you. Here's how it works. You register for a live consultation session over the phone, and I will create a tailored art class with you. And as an added bonus, the art lessons are aligned with licensed material gifted to me to share my own voice by my mentor, Paul Martinelli. You have to agree that many art classes are generic and teacher-driven rather than student-focused. And the value of these classes will be exponential in that you will quickly see how art becomes a catalyst, be able to measure it and see the changes in your life. If you go through my Walking in Your Power program complete in its entirety and apply the techniques you've learned for 30 days and you don't get the transformation, I will give you 100% money back guarantee. Over the course of 30 years, while in tenure with different companies, I built programs and services that generated more than $1 million in funding from various government wellness and health programs. We used to call them personal wellness and healing programs. In today's market, it's called empowerment training. I want you to know I've been teaching others how to believe in themselves for a very long time. I hold certifications in social work, art instruction, and teaching adult learners. I have worked with dozens and dozens of people and groups of all ages in various cultural settings. And as a matter of fact, I just got done working with a group online in my program titled Walking in Your Power. And the beautiful thing is your mastery will improve your influence in every aspect of your life, not just for your work, but at home too. I will walk with you through each step of this process. And when you follow the instructions I lay out for you, you will absolutely succeed. An interesting fact is at least 80% of the people who come into my art studio or take lessons from me are not practicing artists. Let me share with you what my customers have said. Working with Barbara, she will make you fall in love with your work and you will feel accepted. I learned more than art. The lessons contained history and its people. She teaches you such a well-rounded platform. It is phenomenal. I learned patience and precision. I learned to be confident in myself and to trust my opinion as I try out new techniques and trends, which is such a good experience. With painting, as a perfectionist, I learned to just let it flow. This is not something you go back and keep fixing. It's about creating beauty with what you see in front of you. She taught us how to examine rather than to critically analyze our work, to see it for what it holds. Acceptance, she will make you fall in love with your work as you should. One more. She said, the Walking in Your Power course opened me up to focus required to live within myself. And with the thoughtful and structured curriculum, Barbara led us through with grace, care, and love. And I truly valued the group discussions and the accountability that was built into the course. I am thankful for Barbara sharing her lessons. You're going to find art programs have a unique system. For me, this unique system, I can get you started in the program simply, easily for just $1,000 deposit. We'll get you started today with the materials and supplies you'll need, and I'll send you any additional information through email. Sound fair enough? But wait, there's more. Because you listened to the entirety of this video, I'm gifting you with my signature 3-part mini-series that contains art and short written content titled Transform Your Life with Art. It'll only take you a few hours to complete, and you will find the link at the end of this presentation. I can't wait to start this journey with you. Loads of love. You'll find the link to this presentation and the 3-part mini-series at the end.